my channel. My name is Maria Oga. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve a soft, pink, plumpy lips using simple home ingredients. So if you're that lady that wants to achieve the kind of lips I just described, kindly stick with me to the end of this video and you won't regret doing so. If you like the topic we're about to treat, kindly go ahead and give this video a thumbs up already, like the video. So to my returning subscribers, I welcome you all. Thank you for sticking around. I love you all. And for those seeing me for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I bet you will love what I'm doing here. I talk about beauty and self-care. So this is our lip balm, the one you can use to achieve that desired lips you have always dreamt about. But there is one other thing you need to do for this lip balm to work effectively and give you the desired result, and that is by exfoliating your lips. You need to exfoliate your lips to make it smooth, to be able to absorb these ingredients properly. And to exfoliate your lips, you need to prepare your exfoliant using sugar, honey, and lemon. So we'll be adding 1 spoon of sugar to a bowl. 1 spoon of sugar. We'll add 1 spoon of honey to it. We'll then top it with a spoon of lemon. Lemon contains a lot of vitamin C, so it helps to clear the lips of all form of chappedness and breakage, while sugar grains help to scrub the lips and honey helps to keep the lips moisturized. Mix everything together and your lip scrub is ready. At this point, all you need to do is to apply it to your lips using your hands. Just apply it and scrub the lips for 2 to 3 minutes, then wipe it with a paper towel. You can see that this step is very easy to achieve. Another way of scrubbing your lips is by applying Vaseline to your toothbrush and then apply some amount of honey to it, then scrub your lips with the toothbrush. You can also mix the Vaseline and honey in a bowl before applying it to your lips using your toothbrush. After doing this, just wipe with paper towel just like the other process. You can see that my lips are looking more softer here. This will leave your lip ready to absorb the lip balm, and this way your lip balm will work more effectively. Now let's dive right into the process of preparing our lip balm, and our major ingredient here is beetroot. So we'll just go ahead and peel our beetroot. Here we'll be using 3 medium-sized beetroots. The amount of beetroot you use actually depends on how concentrated you want your lip balm to be. After peeling the beetroot, we'll then go ahead and grate it. These 3 beetroots will be enough to produce 1 medium-sized container of your lip balm. Beetroot is a natural and nourishing diet that can provide pink color to your lips, making them look naturally rosy. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which helps improve overall texture and color of the lips. So you can see why we decide to use this plant. Now that we are done with the grating, the next step is to go ahead and sieve the beetroot. Beetroot contains natural water, so you don't need to add any water to it. Just go ahead and press the grated beetroot and you will see the juice coming out. Can you see the juice there? At this point, what we are doing is separating the juice from the chaff. So just press out the juice until you have everything out. You can see our beetroot juice here. So now we'll go ahead and boil it on a very low heat for a few minutes. The purpose of this is to reduce the water content and make the juice more concentrated. After boiling it, you will see that the size of your juice has reduced drastically and it has become more concentrated. At this point, I will be introducing our next ingredient, which is Vaseline. So we'll be adding 1 spoon of Vaseline into the beetroot, and we'll follow it up with 1 capsule of vitamin E. Thereafter, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to it. And then we'll go ahead and melt it. So to melt it, Just place your bowl of the mixture into another bowl of warm or hot water and keep stirring it until the Vaseline dissolves completely, and then continue to stir it until all the ingredients are properly mixed, as you can see in the video. At this point, you will notice that your oil is still floating on top of the beetroot juice. Never mind, when it solidifies, it will mix up properly. So just after you have finished mixing it, you will set it aside for some hours and allow it to solidify. You can refrigerate it to speed up the process. Here we go. It has solidified, and so you go ahead and mix it properly. The Vaseline here will help to lock in moisture in your leaves. The fatty acid in the coconut oil deeply hydrates and nourishes the leaves, while vitamin E, being a powerful antioxidant, will protect the leaves from free radicals damage. Now our lip balm is all ready. Look at how sweet the color is. At this point, you can go ahead and transfer it into any of your container for storage and usage. Note that you can either have the color this concentrated or have it light. Like I said before, it depends on the quantity of beetroot used in the process. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can have it in a lighter shade. To do this, I'm going to take a smaller quantity of my already produced lip balm. Here I have it, half teaspoon of my already produced lip balm, and I'm going to add 1 full teaspoon of Vaseline to it. If you're doing this, remember to also add coconut oil and vitamin E to it so that you can have the full ingredient. So we'll mix it up, and here you have it in a lighter pink. This color actually looks more beautiful, but I actually prefer the concentrated one for my use. So let me know in the comment section, which will you like to have? Do you prefer the darker one or you prefer the lighter shade? Let me know whichever you prefer. The important thing here is that both of them will give you the same results. So at this point, you can go ahead and apply it to your lip at any time of the day, just as the need arises. You can use it during the day as part of your makeup, and you can use it at night before going to bed. Winter is fast approaching, and most of us will be battling with dry, chapped lips. This is a perfect solution to deal with your chapped lips during the winter. So thank you very much for watching to this point. Please, if you have not liked this video, kindly go ahead and like it. While I look forward to seeing you in my next video, it's time to say bye.